This is how to make breakfast in a can, bush style.
Today we'll be showing you how you can make a canned breakfast using whatever leftovers you have and a couple of old cans, which make a bit of a bush quiche. I'm Outback Tom, a kid from the bush with a passion for storytelling, filmmaking and adventure. This has taken me to a lot of places. Now I'm back home in regional Australia. This is my granddad, Outback Grandad. He's been here for 50 years. Now we spend our time cooking on the campfire, exploring our backyard, building projects, and flying planes. So welcome to Outback Tom Australia. This is one of Grandad's recipes and methods. It involves whatever is left over in your fridge or esky. So we started with some chopped onion and some chopped up bacon. And then we got in with some chilies. Now Grandad loves his food nice and spicy. We're really fortunate here in the Kimberley. The capsicum came from our backyard bush garden. It's something that only holds up during the dry and cool months of the year because it gets so hot here that most of our fruit and vegetables just can't manage. So we really make the most of the produce once it's in season. We've got a lot, but we'll mainly be using some ripe tomatoes for this recipe as well as some capsicum. But while we're out here, we'll do a haul as well to take home. We've diced up the capsicum, add those into the mixture and do the same with some chives. Now don't forget, you can add whatever you want to into your mixture. You can make it entirely your style. A couple of homegrown cherry tomatoes go in, followed by some self-raising flour, which acts as a really good binder. Of course, some salt and pepper, and one of Grandad's favourite ingredients is Worcestershire sauce. A good splash of milk, and finally, 2 eggs. So now we've got our old cans. Just be mindful, some of the new cans can have harmful chemicals lined on the inside plastic that are only really effective if they're heated up. So you're better off using an old tin can or cut the bottom out of a billy can. We've got a nice fire underneath, some oil on the hot plate, and the first thing we go in with is our bacon to get that nice crispy finish. And once the bacon is brown, we can start to spoon the mixture in. We can then take the lids, which we cut out, and push down on it gently.
And now we wait.
As you can probably tell, we didn't cook this feed in the morning. Now it is a great brekkie, but we're happy to eat it whenever. It probably takes 15 minutes to start to cook through, and you can also help it out by flipping it over to cook from the other side as well.
Right, well we check these out.
And there you've got your breakfast in a can.
There she is, look at it. Wow, look at that one. All right, I'm going to try a bit. The homegrown tomatoes, they make it. That's beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching. You've been with me, Outback Tom, and Outback Grandad. If you'd like to see us cook something else, you can let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, you can always support us by liking and subscribing. Cheers, you mob. We'll see you soon.